Hey, sorry, life has been a little crazy lately, but needed to get you guys an update on a few things. I got a couple of projects piled up that I need to get you updates on. So thanks for joining us today. Here's a project we were working on a few months back. We're gonna tear out this slider today. Getting ready to do some demo on this thing. So we redid the kind of back deck area. We're going to, instead of a slider, we're gonna go to a single door with a window pane in it. Kind of reconfiguring things to how we want it for future layout.
Hey, you couldn't see it coming. You might have thought it, but you couldn't change it. Hey, it's not right or wrong. It's about trying.
All right, I got all the trim boards pulled off from around there. We got some screws around here. I think this is a replacement for an older slider that was here just from looking at the frame mount on it. I'm not sure. Hopefully I can just take a few of these screws out and just tip it out, but it's probably not gonna be that easy. But we won't know until we tear it apart.
You didn't see it flew by. 'Cause time's not waiting for me or you. You will miss it if you don't catch it in time. In time.
So it appears to me they didn't want to cut out the outside board, so they actually trimmed it out a little ways and then just came in with drywall to finish it because it is, that's the actual 2x4 stud and half of it's covered, and it was framed out to here and flush with the outside. And so got a little bit of demo to do here before we can make this right to put that door in here. All right, so I'm not sure how this is gonna turn out. I'm gonna attempt to cut the drywall and marry that together right there. I'm gonna go all the way up to the ceiling since there's not much there. I got 2 sheets of drywall here, and we'll pop that trim that's up top there and try to sneak that drywall up in behind. So that's the rough plan. We'll see if it works out or not. Hopefully it does, but we're gonna give it a shot.
Regret is worse than failing. Keep the loved ones close enough. Rain and fire, highs and lows, you name it. Cold and warm, laughs and cries,
That didn't go to plan. Okay, I made a really big mess, but I did get all the drywall peeled from in behind everything, so we can go ahead and go back up with drywall. So I need to trim this flooring back now because, as I mentioned earlier, they had set the door out a little bit, so got a little bit of work to do. Worst case scenario, we need to get something in there because it's gonna be dark soon, so yeah, we'd like to have a door in the wall tonight.
the world goes by and by. The time it does, you miss it. You didn't see it flew by. 'Cause time's not waiting for me or you. You will miss it if you don't catch it in time.
right, we got a bunch of the framing done. Getting ready to put some sheeting on that so then we can also put the door in and plug that hole up tonight.
We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton lines, your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating. We got nowhere to be, got nowhere to be. Your hair's a mess, but you don't mind. You just laugh, let it fall. Coffee's cold, but we take a sip, talk about nothing. Let the morning slip. Oh, it feels like that, like summer air through window cracks. Oh, it feels like that, like summer sun on quiet tracks.
All right, I made quite the mess yesterday, but we did get door in and also got some sheathing. Also got some sheathing on. After looking at this from the living room, I think we're gonna put in a picture window as well right next to that, just so there's more light, more view out into the yard. So I'll probably frame that in this afternoon when I get back, but most important things first, time to go fishing with some friends. So gonna go do that. Well, we had a slight change of plans on the interior project here. Once we got the door in, got some glass in there, we decided to go ahead and put in a picture window here as well, just because missing that light, obviously that's coming in from that slider. So we're gonna add a 2x4 picture window next to the door here, and then we'll get this finished up. We had to wait a few weeks because apparently Lowe's and Home Depot in our area don't stock picture windows. So anyhow, ordered one up, came in. Let's go ahead and put this thing in.
Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that, like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah, it feels.
All right, I got a bunch of trimming and some framing to do, but that'll kind of give you an idea of what we're looking at. Nice big picture window next to there so we can see outside a little bit better. That way we can still enjoy the beautiful view we have from the kitchen living room area here.
Feels like that. Yeah, it feels like that. Na 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 na. Feels like that. Oh, it feels like that, like summer air through window cracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain.
Taped it and everything, and I thought, you know, I probably should double check everything before I test fit that window, but it fits, we're good. All right, I'm gonna get this thing screwed into place, leveled, and then we'll start working on some other stuff. Okay, we have our window in. That is letting in a ton more light, so I think we're gonna like that much better. Having to sacrifice the view out of that slider to go to a regular door, it's nice to have a big window here next to it. We didn't go all the way to the ground because there's gonna be an outdoor kitchen that's covering part of that. So we wanted to be above that and not have to view that while we're inside. It would kind of skip over the top out to the patio and out to the outdoors. So there was a lot of discussion about the size of this window and what we were going to do there, but that's ultimately what we came up with. Well, I had to leave for a few hours and just got back home, and it's extremely windy. Saw some lightning on the way back home. Yeah, it looks like we're getting ready to have a bit of a thunderstorm here. Come back out here, blowing dust in my eyes. So I might do inside drywall, and then some thunder, and then come and do outside. Here comes the rain and thunder.
From the start, I lost my step deep within your eyes and your soft silhouette. The way you move, both gentle and wild. If only I could feel you for a while. I can't hear anymore. You are all I'm waiting for. I can't eat, I can't sleep no more. Haunted by your scent through every open door. Try to breathe, try to read.
Well, we still got to dry out a little bit more. Just brought in a fan to kind of help with some of the drying before we can get to sanding. But it already looks way different just getting some joint compound on that drywall, and it's starting to look more like a wall.
All I feel is hollow coming through. I can't hear anymore. Now you are all I'm waiting for. I am fading more and more. You are the part I can't let go. Can't let go, go, go. Can't let
Whoa,
go,
that ain't gonna work.
go, go.
Let's go. Hello.
Can't let go.
That's better.
Yeah.
Can't let go.
Okay, this house has 3 or 4 different types of drywall mud in it in different sections. It's kind of all over the place. So this is more orange peel over here. This is a real heavy knockdown over here. So I'm going to try and match some of the knockdown over here. And I think the rest of this we'll leave a little heavier and blend the knockdown orange peel that was sort of on this wall. So I don't know, trying to make the best of what we got.
So it seems like just going a little lighter is giving you the texture you need.
Yeah.
Okay.
And much wetter. All right, I'm getting this trim all put together, and I didn't realize, but this one right here is a different width, thickness. So, oops, I'm gonna cut 2 smaller ones, see if I can match that. All right, we have lots of caulking and painting left to do, but overall. We got the rough stuff done. So, oh, I need to put those trim pieces back up top as well. So, painting, caulking, and we should be there. Look like I'm going skiing here. All right, we are sitting pretty good on getting this siding back together. Got a lot of caulking that still needs to be done on that, but yeah, it's looking much, much better. Holes on the inside are patched, holes on the outside are patched. It's starting to come together. Okay, we have trim back up. We just scabbed together what was around the door there, so we kind of made do with what we had, made it work. But lots of prep work still to do. Dee Dee just got done caulking all the shop, which was a massive project, and now we're working on some more stuff on the house, getting it prepped and ready for paint. A lot of work still to do to get to that point here. So I think that's going to end it for this video. Made a lot of headway, still got lots more to do. We're gonna just have to tackle this thing in chunks, I think. So thank you so much for joining us. We'll catch you on the next video. Thank you.